Hello friends. Today we will learn how to reset Windows 10 instead of erasing the local disk completely. The storage will not be affected, only the installed apps will be resetted to factory version. So let's see. First go to settings. Then update and security. Here in the left panel, go to recovery. Here, see, here is your option for get started. Once you click on that, it will ask two options: whether you want to keep your data as usual, as it is, or you need to remove all the things. That depends on you. Once you click on that, you will get that option. Then select that appropriate option and proceed. I am not clicking on this as I don't need to reset my PC. After you click on this, and then you select the appropriate method in which you will select whether you want to click on erase everything or keep the data. Whatever option you have chose, you have to click on OK or proceed, whatever it shows. Then your system will be restarting for several times. Don't worry about that. After some times it will ask you for the configuration, what you did while you purchased your laptop or when you purchased your PC, like that only. So that's all for now.